Hawaii's fierce warrior king, Kamehameha I, united the Hawaiian Islands in 1810. After years of bloody warfare, he returned to his home island from Honolulu in 1812 and spent his last few years in Kailua village and the peaceful religious compound of Ahu'ena Heiau. He died in 1819. The compound has been restored by the Bishop Museum. The temple grounds are about a third their original size. The temple platform is kapu, tabu. The largest structure is the Hale Mana, the House of Spiritual Prayer. The tallest, the Oracle Tower, where the chief kahuna received messages from the gods. There are several wooden temple idols, ki'iakua. This one is Koliamoku, the god of healing, with a golden plover on its head. The golden plover is called the Toria in the Cook Islands.